Ammonia gas connection mode. Let's start at the source. Here are the ammonia gas cylinders. There's an interface here. Need to be docked. Then we'll stream out of here. Then we need to have 2 of these different valves. And then connect the different ammonia cylinders. This is the nitrogen inlet. This is the nitrogen inlet. Nitrogen valve. And then straight out through this pipe. This pipe. This place has to be welded down, no air leaks. The leak will have a strong smell. Get the gas out and go in through here. Ammonia gas intake. Connects to ammonia decomposition furnace. Ammonia decomposition furnace. After cracking, the gas comes out here. After cracking, gas comes out of the yellow tube. From here through this floater. Come out of here, yellow pipe. Ammonia gas outlet. And then there's this white tube here, that's the water inlet pipe. The ammonia gas comes out with a lot of heat energy, so it needs to be cooled. After cooling, these 2 are the inlet pipe and the outlet pipe for cooling. This yellow tube is ammonia cracking gas and goes into the furnace. And then there's the shunt up front. There are 2 places to gas inlet. Here's the floater control. From here and this place and then diverting the gas through. This is an gas inlet. There's an gas inlet, too. And then the ammonia gas flows out of here. This is gas inlet.